Welcome back to another PrintHub video. I continue to go through my archive, and this time it's one of my oldest models that I've ever printed and painted in pretty big size. It's a Vault Boy from Fallout. It printed in only two pieces, the base with the body and the head. After I cleaned the supports, I used black primer on both pieces. Back then I didn't really pay attention to seam positions, so I got two of them right in front on the legs. I cleaned them a little bit and covered with primer again. Then I did some light zenithal highlight and started to paint. I used flash color to paint the face. I didn't really care about being careful because I knew later on I would mask it for the hair. I didn't find the footage, but I covered the body in blue because Vault Boy's suit is blue, so it had to match. Then I painted the boots with black. Then I used slight touch of earth for the base. When it was done, I started the masking process on the face. I think it was my second time using liquid mask and the first time being on Invincible. If you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out. I think the result was amazing. When the mask dried out, I started to paint Vault Boy's hair with yellow, and I did several layers. Then I used the same flash color to paint the hands. When the hair dried out, I started to remove liquid mask from the face, and it was very satisfying, as you can see from the video. When I was done with that, I went on to paint the eyes, the eyebrows and the mouth. To be done with the face, I had to do some light touch-ups with the flash color because my printer was having some issues by this time. It's the first and only time actually that I had issues with my Prusa MK4, but I had some slight problems and the face didn't come out as good as I was hoping, so I had to do some touch-ups. Then I went back to the body and I painted the belt and the collar and the middle section with yellow, just like the Vault Boy has. That was it for the painting process. In the end I used matte varnish to cover the model completely, and as a cherry on the top I ordered some grass from AliExpress and I decided to use it. I glued it on top of the base and I think it looks amazing. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Plastic dreams in my hands, sculpture gods at my command. Layer by layer building life, smooth the edges, sharpen the knife.